a T to the Nader Tornado representing for Life of Cleo YouTube channel. People subscribe and share. The hottest YouTube channel in Canada. People, member, Life of Cleo YouTube channel. Rave every night as morning light. Me wake fast, brush teeth, then look off for breakfast. No problem. Life of Cleo YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. No, Tornado say that. Get it?
And today we're gonna cook some chicken foot soup with pigtail. Here, that's my dad's hand. He's gonna do the cooking today. So he's just cleaning up the chicken feet by cutting off the toes. Yes, and cleaning out the inside, which is right here. It's all cut out. So that's the way he does his chicken foot. So we're gonna clean this up, wash it with some lemon or lime with some vinegar, and we're gonna come back and show you the finished product, and then we're gonna show you how we're gonna do our chicken foot soup. Okay guys, so that's the procedure. So you can use whatever amount of chicken foot that you wish to use. So because it's a big family, we have around 2 to 3 pounds, and to give it a little bit more flavor, my dad, as I said, he add pigtail to it. You don't have to add pigtail, that's your choice. We're gonna put some dumplings, yam, and a lot of other things in the soup, and you will see that. So he's making sure that it's all cleaned up. He's making sure that he gets all the stuff that are not good off it, and then wash it with vinegar and water basically, and lemon juice. Okay, so stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so this is the pigtail. You find this in the Asian supermarket or even in the Jamaican store. Here we have a Pig Western, yeah. So it's just making sure it takes off some of the fat, and that's optional. You don't have to put that in your soup, but yes, it's gonna add that to it. Okay, so that's what he's doing, and he's just cutting it up in small pieces. All that's gonna put together. So here guys, I'm back here. So the pigtail, the chicken foot, you can add also chicken back to it with some, this is some boiling water that we have here ready. So he's just gonna add it to it at this point. So just be careful how you put it in. He's gonna put all at once inside there. Again, the pigtail is optional. So we're gonna come back and show you the rest of the procedure to this chicken foot soup with pigtail. Okay guys, so in this chicken foot soup we're gonna have ground food like Irish sweet potato. Here we have some pumpkin, and dumpling is gonna go in there, yam. So you're gonna see it, and that's how we do it. Okay guys, so we're just adding the food, the ground food, to the boiling water with the chicken foot and the pigtail, and he seasons it with a piece. This is how he does it for him, like the way he does it, and his grandkids love it. So we've dropped a few cuts of onions, and he's put the dumplings, and he's put in the Irish and the potato, sweet potato and all that into the pot. Okay, so that's what he's doing right now. Okay, so stay tuned for more. So here guys, we're gonna add the chicken noodles into the soup. So we have here already scotch bonnet pepper and scallion, and we're putting in some thyme. You can see the dumplings and all that. So you can put whatever seasoning to your liking into this as well. Right, so we call this soup. So the pumpkin, banana, yam, Irish, chocho, everything in the pot and I go cook. Okay, so this is gonna cook for like the next 20 minutes. Okay guys, so stay tuned for the finishing look. See, so it's gonna turn and get some color, and everything is gonna cook down and then ready to eat. Look how rich it is, guys. You can add more carrots if you want. Alright. For this type of weather, it's perfect. So there you have it guys, the finished product of the chicken foot soup. There you have your dumpling and your ground food, and I think you put some chicken back in there, all who know chicken back, banana, chocho and all these things. So it's ready to eat. So there you have it guys, the finished product of the chicken foot soup. There you have your dumpling and your ground food, and I think you put some chicken back in there, all who know chicken back, banana, chocho and all these things. So it's ready to eat. Hope you enjoy this recipe guys. It's my sister, the kids, everybody love this. So all the ingredients will be in the description box below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Life of Cleo for more banger videos. According to my son, he said banger videos. Have a blessed and wonderful day.